Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. We're diving deep into the world of beach house design ideas, a style that is all about capturing the tranquility and beauty of the coast. A true beach house is a sanctuary, built to withstand the elements while maximizing those breathtaking ocean views. We'll explore the definition, the amazing benefits of coastal living, essential tips for a gorgeous and resilient exterior, and then we'll whisk you away on a tour of our top 10 best beach house designs. Prepare to be swept away. At its core, beach house design is an architectural and interior design philosophy that aims to harmonize the structure with its seaside environment, blurring the lines between the indoors and the stunning outdoors. It's defined by an inherent focus on functionality, durability, and a light, airy aesthetic. Architecturally, this means prioritizing open-concept living spaces, elevated foundations to handle potential flooding, and massive windows or sliding glass doors to capture natural light and panoramic views. Design elements consistently draw from the natural palette of the shore, soft blues, greens, neutrals like sand and white, and natural materials such as weathered wood, linen, and woven textures. Ultimately, a beach house is designed for effortless, relaxed living, where sandy feet are welcome and the primary goal is comfort and connection to nature. The benefits of a well-designed beach house extend far beyond aesthetics. Firstly, the emphasis on natural light and open space inherently creates a calming, mood-boosting environment. The large windows and seamless flow promote a healthy lifestyle by encouraging relaxation and providing ample exposure to daylight, often referred to as a natural mood elevator. Secondly, modern beach house designs prioritize durability and low-maintenance living. Using materials like marine-grade hardware, resilient fiber cement siding, and tile or engineered wood floors means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying the sand and sun. Finally, the design ensures maximum enjoyment of the location. Every architectural choice, from wraparound decks and covered porches to strategically placed primary suites, is made to maximize the ocean vistas and facilitate easy indoor-outdoor living, making the home feel like a permanent vacation retreat. Decorating a beach house exterior requires a balance between aesthetic charm and resilience against harsh coastal elements like salt, wind, and sun. Start with a durable, coastal-appropriate color palette, typically consisting of crisp whites, light grays, pale blues, or natural weathered wood tones to reflect the heat and resist fading. Material selection is critical. Opt for hardy siding like cedar shingles, horizontal lap siding, or cement board panels. For decks and railings, choose composite decking or pressure-treated wood with marine-grade fasteners to prevent corrosion. Maximize the outdoor living space with expansive decks, covered porches, or a screened-in sunroom, furnished with weather-resistant outdoor furniture. Crucially, install a designated outdoor shower or wash station near the entrance, a functional luxury that prevents sand from entering the home, keeping your interiors pristine. Now let's dive into some real-world inspiration. We're counting down the top 10 best beach house design ideas that showcase the mastery of coastal architecture and interior design from around the one. The elevated modern coastal retreat. Kicking off our list is this stunning example of coastal contemporary architecture. The home is elevated on pilings, a critical feature for hurricane resistance and maximizing views. The clean lines, expansive multi-level decks, and large, dark-framed windows contrast beautifully with the light, textured siding. The design emphasizes the horizontal plane, creating seamless flow and maximizing the indoor-outdoor living experience that defines modern beach luxury. 2. The classic Hamptons-style shingle home. This design embodies the quintessential Hamptons elegance. Featuring a classic gabled roofline and natural wood shingle siding that will gracefully weather to a beautiful gray patina, the home exudes timeless coastal charm. The crisp white trim around the numerous large windows and the wraparound porch railing provides a beautiful contrast. This style perfectly marries traditional luxury with the relaxed, unpretentious vibe of the seaside. 3. The modern minimalist concrete and wood beach box. Here is a bolder, more monolithic approach. This home utilizes raw, durable materials like exposed concrete and dark, stained wood paneling to create a powerful, grounded presence. The large, rectilinear form and flat roof are pure modernism, but the warm wood accents and the presence of open water access anchor it firmly to the coastal setting. The architecture acts as a dramatic frame for the ocean view, focusing on sculptural form and material contrast. 4. The tropical palapa-inspired poolside villa. This design captures the essence of a luxurious tropical escape. The use of natural stone walls, rich dark wood, and a large central swimming pool immediately creates a resort-like atmosphere. The architectural lines are clean, but the inclusion of open, covered areas and lush, vibrant landscaping softens the modern edge. This style is perfect for warmer climates, emphasizing shade, ventilation, and a total integration with the surrounding greenery. 5. The sleek multi-story glass and wood design. An exemplar of coastal contemporary, this tall, layered structure maximizes vertical space and view potential. The extensive glass facade ensures that every level enjoys an unobstructed ocean panorama. The contrast between the sheer glass and the horizontal natural wood cladding creates visual interest, while the numerous balconies allow occupants to step out and truly experience the sea breeze and sounds. This is a design built for the view. 6. The airy white stucco Mediterranean coast vibe. Transporting us to the Mediterranean or the Californian coast, this home features smooth, light-colored stucco and a distinctly sun-drenched, villa-like feel. The use of arched doorways, small balconies, and tile accents creates a charming, timeless look. While still embracing modern open plans on the interior, the exterior uses traditional shapes to evoke a sense of permanence and classic seaside beauty. The use of wrought iron accents adds a touch of European sophistication. 7. The Dune integrated wood and glass bungalow. This design focuses on seamless integration into the natural environment, often seen in organic modern styles. The low-slung profile and use of weathered wood siding allow the house to nestle into the sandy dunes. The wraparound deck is placed at a level that extends the living space directly onto the beach landscape. The design is deliberately understated, letting the raw beauty of the location take center stage. 8. The coastal bohemian interior with rattan and light wood. Moving to interiors, this image beautifully illustrates boho coastal style. The aesthetic is built on comfort and natural texture, light-toned hardwood floors, white-painted exposed ceiling beams, and a mix of woven rattan and plush white upholstery. The subtle use of coastal art and the sheer white curtains enhance the light, breezy feel. It's a design that's incredibly inviting and feels authentic to relaxed beach living. 9. The nautical-inspired living room with blue accents. This is a sophisticated take on traditional nautical design. Instead of overt ship motifs, the space uses a calming palette of deep navy blues, crisp whites, and light natural woods. The key is texture, with linen fabrics, woven rugs, and possibly shiplap walls that add subtle coastal character without feeling themed. The large windows, again, are non-negotiable, acting as the primary artwork framing the view. 10. The ultimate coastal kitchen with open shelving. Our final idea focuses on the heart of the home. A luxury beach kitchen must be bright, functional, and social. This example features white or light cabinetry, large central islands for gathering, and a unique coastal touch like open shelving or B-board paneling. The backsplash and countertops often incorporate materials that mimic natural stone or sand. It's a space built for easy entertaining after a day at the beach, with natural light pouring in from the sea-facing windows. As you've seen, the best beach house designs are a thoughtful fusion of style, resilience, and a deep appreciation for the landscape. They are designed to be durable sanctuaries, built to last against the elements while ensuring that every moment spent inside or outside is a celebration of the view. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of Hampton style or the clean lines of coastal contemporary, the core principles remain the same: maximize light, utilize natural textures, and create a seamless transition to the outdoors. A well-designed beach house isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle reset button. We're officially dreaming of the coast. Which of these stunning beach house styles captured your imagination the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found the perfect inspiration for your next seaside retreat, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed to Homes Inspiration Studios for more luxury home tours and expert design guides. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next architectural journey. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you on the shore.